Here we got the proper installation of a plumbing jack.
Is the other guys no put cooking here and no put cooking here.
Hold on, Ramon.
Alon Ramon.
Yeah, they put the caulk. Hey, Romero, they put the caulk on top of the shingle, huh?
Where?
The other one.
Oh.
Instead of underneath, they put it on top.
Yeah. No, it's look, Mike. Look right here. Any roofer, every roofer, no put this line. This line is important.
Right.
For the water no go right there.
Right.
And the nail, it's right here. It's no better. It's little inside. So the water go right there.
Right.
Right here, the water stop right there.
Right.
So right there is no go
Right.
inside the roof.
And final caulking around the plumbing jack prior to the painting.